Well, welcome to this combined UK drug testing and value med product demonstration video for the new 4-drug vape use detection drug test. Now, this is made for us by All Test. The packaging is shown in front of you here. This is the full manufacturer's carton. It contains 25 test panels. The individual foils that are included in the pack are All Test branded foils. This is the packaging. Just let me show you the rear, which basically will have on the details of the test that's included. Now, this is a 4-panel drug test. It screens for 4 drug groups, and those are cotinine, which is the first metabolite of nicotine, so you're screening for nicotine in vapes; cannabinol, which is a metabolite breakdown product and screens for CBD; K2, which is the other interesting one we've added into this test. That's synthetic cannabis, and a lot of these new vapes that are being marketed are claimed to be containing synthetic cannabis to avoid detection by standard drug tests. And then the standard cannabis detection, this is an ultra detection one, screening down to 20 nanograms. So you've got 4 individual tests. This is the test panel. When you open the foil, this is what you get. A standard 4-panel drug test. The drug abbreviations for each of the 4 drug groups are shown in this window, and this is your control line area and your test line area. To perform a test, you collect a fresh urine sample. This is just a clear liquid substitute. Remove the test multi-drug test panel cover, and that, as you see, reveals these 4 prongs. To run the test, you just dip it into the fresh urine sample for between 15 and 20 seconds. What you will see as this starts to absorb liquid is the pink dye starting to run upwards as it is laterally flowed. That's why they call these lateral flow tests, up towards the top of the test panel where you've got those indicative results. Now, that's been in for long enough. I'm just going to basically just give that a little knock and then cover it up. Now, if you lay that flat on a surface, you then wait for the test to develop, and the read time for this test for all negative results is as soon as 4 minutes to 5 minutes, but for a positive result you need to give it a full 10-minute development time. So we're going to pause this video now and bring you back on and show you the results showing at the 10-minute read time for this test.